students, today I am going to start new chapter HCF and LCM. In this chapter we will learn about HCF and LCM of numbers. First of all, to learn HCF and LCM, we have to know what is common factor and common multiples. After that, you can find the HCF and LCM of numbers. So, common factors, let us consider the factors of 24 and 36. Let us two numbers, let us suppose 24 and 36. 24 and 36. 24 and 36. Common factors. Let us consider two numbers are 24 and 36. The factors of 24 are the factors of 24 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, 6, 8, 12, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 24. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Factors of 36. Factors of 36 is equal to, we know that the factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Factors of 36 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Factors of 36 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here we see that some numbers are common in both 24 and 36. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These numbers are common in both 24 and 36. So the common factors, therefore common factors is equal to common factors is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. Common factors. These factors are called common factors. Let us consider the two numbers 24 and 36. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24, and factors of 36 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Therefore the common factors means उभयनिष्ठ गुणनखंड. 24 और 36 में उभयनिष्ठ गुणनखंड जो कि दोनों में शामिल है वो है 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. So these factors are called common factors. And now I am going to tell you about common multiples. Again, I am going to explain what are common factors. To explain it, we take two numbers as 24 and 36 and find the factors of 24 and 36. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Here we see that some numbers are common. Some numbers are common in both 24 and 36 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So these numbers are called common factors. Now I am going to explain what are common multiples. Common multiples, Gunan, Ubhayanist Gunan. So let us look at the multiples of 5 and 6. Common multiples. If you will know about common factors and common multiples, then you can find the HCF and LCM of any number. Common multiples. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Let us take 5 and 6, two numbers, 5 and 6. Multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. If a number is multiplied by any natural number, then the number is called the multiples of that number. Multiples और 5 के गुणन, जब 5 को किसी भी प्राकृतिक संख्या से गुना करेंगे तो वह उसका गुणन कहलाएगा. जैसे 5 का मल्टीपल्स हो गया 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. मल्टीपल्स ऑफ और 30, 35, 36, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 and so on. Multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. There are so many multiples of 6. Now we find the common multiples. Here we see that 30, 60, 90. 30, 60, 30 and 60. Common multiples. Therefore, common multiples is equal to common multiples are 30 and 60 because these multiples are common in both in multiples of 5 and multiples of 6. So these multiples are called common multiples. Now we know that we have learnt about prime factorization. Prime factorization in factorization of a number is done in a way such that its factors are prime numbers. Then this factorization is called prime factorization. 24. Now I'm going to explain prime factorization and for prime factorization. Prime factorization. अभाज्य गुणनखंड. We take example of 24. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. If you multiply all numbers, then we get 24. So the prime factorization of 24 is equal to break it into a small prime factors is called prime factors. Here 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 दूनी 4 दूनी 8 3 24. So there are two methods of doing prime factorization of a number. First method is called division method, and the second method is called factor tree method. Now I am going to explain what is division method and what is factor tree method. Okay.